Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix MS Teams error we've run into an issue Edge WebView2 installation failed. Copy URL from description and paste it. Find system type. Accept and download. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.